Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have two different job leads that are providing all the computer equipment you need to do the job. I know I've seen in the comments in the past that people want to work from home, but you don't have like a computer or home office setup. So looking for jobs that actually give you all the equipment that you need is going to be great to get into that work from home field. Of course, you are going to have your own home internet service. We even have a job that is requiring absolutely no experience whatsoever. And if you stay to the end, if you're looking for something in customer support, you don't mind being on the phone, we have a customer support job that pays up to over $1,300 a week. We're going to dive all in, links and timestamps and all the additional information you need to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing or put those applications in is always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I do want to quickly state a few of these have state restrictions. Now, I have started to see a lot more remote jobs pop up that have to be within so many miles of like one location. I never really share those because that's going to be such a small population of people, but I do share the ones that have multiple states where you can be in several different states. Let me know down below in the comments, are you seeing the same thing? Are you starting to see remote work from home jobs start to limit the people that they're accepting applications from? I've noticed that's become a trend over the last few months, but work from home jobs are also a little bit slower in the summer. They pick up, a lot of companies will start posting new positions and hiring again, like after school starts, kind of like towards the end of August into September. But let me know down below what you're seeing right now. But with that being said, first up we have the company TruStage. Now, TruStage has 765 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a claims specialist. This is remote for the United States. It does say this is a part-time position. TruStage is a financial company, and they are looking for somebody to analyze their claims and determine if additional information or investigation needs to be done into the claims. So you are going to have to communicate and deal with third parties and customers for the investigations, negotiations, and conclusions of the claims in accordance with their policies and procedures. So you're really like researching and evaluating the claims and looking at your information that you're given, determining if you're going to approve and pay the claim or deny the claim. Now, some claims you can put a pre-approved limit on it depending on the product or service. So you're just really deciding based on guidelines given if a claim should be paid or not. So this is going to require great communication skills and great problem solving skills. Now, above that, they're looking for somebody who either has an associate's degree or equivalent work experience, somebody who has great customer service skills, and pay for this one is anywhere from $43,700 a year up to $65,500 a year. Now, this next one is providing all the computer equipment you need to do the job. The company is GE Appliances. They probably need no introduction. They have 1,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service agent for their Bodewell department. This is remote for the United States. However, you have to be in certain states. The states they accept right now are Utah, South Dakota, Texas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Mississippi, Kentucky, Ohio, and South Carolina. But if you're in one of those states, on the top of giving you all the equipment that you need to do the job, they offer a standard benefit package. You don't have to work any weekend shifts. You get paid time off. You get health insurance, a 401k. They're also offering complete training. Now, pay for this one is only going to be $15 an hour, but they say you get additional bonuses based on your quality scores, and you are paid weekly with this one. They're giving you 9 full weeks of training. That training will take place Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it's 4 days a week. You will have Tuesdays and weekends off of training. After you get out of training, they're looking for somebody to work 10-hour days, 4 days a week, and work 8:15 a.m. to 6:45 p.m. in the Central Standard Time. Now, you'll have Thursdays off and weekends off, so you'll work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. But you're basically just providing direct support to GE appliance owners, making sure that you drive owner-focused solutions for the customers using creativity and judgment-based reasoning skills. You're going to be working with phone calls, emails, chats, and written inquiries, so all of their customer service mediums. You're going to help customers with product information, pre and post purchase of sales of parts or products or services. So maybe they have a GE appliance and they need replacement parts from it. You'll help them determine what replacement parts they need and help get them ordered. So you're really creating, updating, and retrieving the owner records for these products, logging facts surrounding complaints, actions, and resolutions, just making sure you keep up with the quality. They do want somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, somebody who's a go-getter and self-starter, somebody who will take charge and really dig deep and find that solution for that customer. So you've got to be able to research and analyze data and be a great team player. Now, you do have to know how to use basic computer systems like those Microsoft Office suites, because as you're talking and finding solutions for these customers, you're going to have to be taking all that information down in the system. And again, they provide the computer equipment for you, but you do have to have your own internet that meets the speed requirements. Now, if you're looking to start working from home, but you have absolutely no experience, this one might be a starting place for you. The company is VRI. They have 137 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote call center representative. This is going to be a full-time position. They have both first and second shifts available. Pay is anywhere from $15 an hour up to $16 an hour. Pay for companies that don't really require any experience really start kind of on the lower end. They are looking for somebody to start on September 9th of this year of 2024. Now, they are going to give you a complete 3 weeks or 21 days of new hire training. Once you go through all the training, you're going to have like quizzes and tests that you are going to have to take for them to kind of test your knowledge that you have retained the information given in the training and that you kind of know what you're doing. Now, once you pass those tests, you will start working. And when you start working, you're monitoring high volume medical alert, secondary alarms, and then inbound phone calls with genuine concern. So this company, VRI, they make medical devices. Think of what was those things they used to like advertise on TV, the Life Alert or something like that. So this is something kind of like that. They're medical devices that people can use that give off alarms and alerts for someone to come check on them. So when you receive alarm calls or incoming telephone calls regarding emergencies and non-emergencies, you're just answering all these alarms and inbound phone calls, determining what needs to be done and your response requirements relative to that situation. And you'll dispatch in accordance with policies and procedures any type of response required. So maybe you just need to talk to the person. Maybe you need to get 911 over there, something like that. You are just really assessing the situation and determining what needs to be done and then taking that action for that person. You'll also answer customer questions with scripted and non-scripted responses just regarding any general questions they have about the medical alert devices. And you might have to do some technical troubleshooting from time to time on these devices as well. Now, this requires a high school diploma or GED, but it says 0 experience is required. Now, it is a plus if you have previous customer service experience, but again, nothing is actually required. You do have to have internet speeds of at least 5 megabytes per second. And you've got to be able to type at least 35 words per minute and have great people skills, great communication skills, be self-motivated, and you do have to know how to basically navigate through a computer system. Now, again, this is another one that is only hiring in certain states. Those are Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Mexico, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Moving on along, HomeSafe is another company that's going to provide you the computer equipment you need to do the job. Now, one thing to note about HomeSafe, I couldn't really find a Glassdoor page for this one. I found a Glassdoor page that said HomeSafe Alliance, which looked like it might belong to this company, but there was no company logo, so I could not really confirm that. And they had absolutely no reviews or anything. So as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But I did get this lead from a trusted source of mine, so I thought I would share anyway, even though I couldn't find a Glassdoor page to back up the company. But HomeSafe Alliance is hiring a document control coordinator. Now, again, this is remote for the United States. HomeSafe is a household goods movement management company, and they say they work with the military, moving the military. If you've ever had, I have friends in the military, if you've ever had friends in the military, if the military gives them orders to move to different states because they're being transitioned to a different work location, the military hires all of these movers and packers and moving companies to basically come wrap up their stuff and ship it for them. And so it kind of sounds like HomeSafe is involved in that whole process, but they're looking for somebody to make sure their documents are prepared, maintained, distributed, updated, or organized per their document standards. So you are basically going to be the person that is in control of implementing these standards for existing documents, making sure all the documents are up to their control specifications. You're going to assist with all different internal departments digitally maintaining and managing these documents and files. You'll support the information management work processes, just using your good judgment of guidelines, making sure you support the shipment approval process, weight discrepancies and escalations, and documentation for service providers. Now, this only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of experience. They prefer that you have experience with military or military move experience, so if you've ever had the military move you, but that's not required, just 1 year, I guess, of like document or customer service experience. Somebody who has great communication skills, is highly organized, and again, you've got to be able to work basically around a computer. Now, it says the HomeSafe will provide all the computer equipment for you. Again, you just have to have your home internet access. And sadly, with this one, they did not list the pay. I don't work for any of these companies. A pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you're looking for very high paying customer service, this one might be for you. The company is DataCamp. They have 98 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist. Now, DataCamp is empowering individuals and teams through data literacy. So they offer a platform of data science and analytics education. So they are really like a training platform, a platform that you can join if you're looking to learn more about data science and analytics. So they are kind of in the education space in a way. They are looking for somebody to just help their customers with their products and services. So you're providing a positive customer experience through all of their mediums, including email, live chat, social media, and phone. You're going to just act as the voice of the customer. Any technical issues they have using this software, online product, or platform, you're going to escalate those product bugs up to the developers, and so you are just helping document anything into the computer system and also developing those customer facing documentations that are on that website so they can kind of help themselves, like help articles, FAQ pages, contact us forms. You're going to help develop some of those, just supporting, moderating, and maintaining their online community platform and review sites as well. This only requires 1 to 2 years of experience working in customer support, great communication skills, a positive attitude, and somebody who's comfortable as a self-starter and working in a fast-paced environment. Now, pay is where this position really shines. The annual salary for this position is anywhere from $60,000 a year up to $70,000 a year. Now, if you get that $70,000 a year mark, that's a little over $1,300 a week. And this position is remote in the United States. You can be located anywhere in the United States, although they want you to work in the Eastern time zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to verify the time will work for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.